Okay, YouTube, this is Otis K here. So I decided to take my irrigation system to the next level. I wanted to go and hook it to my phone with all this Bluetooth, wireless stuff and all that, you know, smart stuff. And I quickly realized when looking at my, they call this a irrigation tech, some Hydrotek 2025, that it was a mechanical system, and it had an indexer for water control, and it also, you know, and it just didn't lend itself to much automation because it had a mechanical clock, an analog clock, and just didn't go. So I didn't know that when I bought this Orbit's smart irrigation controller from Home Depot. And so what is there to do? So I get out there, I pull this irrigation system apart, and I don't see any of these wires and stuff that goes to this controller because it's analog. So anyway, I go and I purchased this Bhyve from Orbit's, and I took it apart. And what's in there is a transformer. It sets down the voltage 24 volts. This actually came with a plug. Came in a plug that I tore it apart rather easily. So that was cool. And I had this solid state board here. And so yeah. Now apparently this is where the 24 volts go from the transformer. And then you go to hooking all these doodads here to your electronic motor controllers, which I don't have. And so this is a sensor, a jumper that. This is common. These are your zones. None of that. I have 2 zones on my mechanical system. I won't be utilizing any of that. So anyway, once I took the thing apart, my analog system apart, I found out it was very dumb, and that's what it was. So basically, I had to find a way to power my pump with this controller. So I had to go buy the Orbit's relay. Now, it's no surprise that Home Depot will have this. Of course, they knew that your old ass Hydrotek, Irrigation Tech 2025 would not be able to be controlled by Bluetooth and solid state tech, wireless, nothing like that. So they gave you this here relay, which is controlled by the board, which is also wireless, Alexa and Google Play, Google Home, Google Home compatible. And so basically you have, you know, line in, line out. I guess here, yeah, line 1 in, line 1 out, line 2 in, line 2 out. Sorry, I was out of focus. And then this, these 24 volts, which you would put across the relay here. After you get out of the transformer, this side takes power in here, powers this here, takes the common, takes one of these zones, powers the relay on the 24 volt side. This one of these set here takes a line in from mains, and this one right here slams the relay shut, which in turn powers the pump outside. So that's pretty much that's how it goes. So I had this monstrosity here, and I was like, okay, all these damn parts, what do I do with it? Well, That's what the purpose of the video is for. So I took this Orbis relay box, and now we're going to make magic. We're going to make one self system. Solar system that I'm going to put outside. And I've already pretty much got it down what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead and put this board on this side. Transformer here. Relay here. And we got this here outage, this here hole here. I'm going to put some flex to go to the old irrigation tech, whatever, mechanical system. On the side, come straight out of this bad boy into the old system. Some flex. Think about putting a 90 here. 90 to the old system. Grab hot from the old system. All I need is hot from there, and it'll power everything. And then I'll have something else come back out from the relay to power the motor. Hot in, hot out. And then I'll program this sucker with 2 zones. And these zones will be wired from common in one zone, and then common in a second zone to the relay. So that when it does back and front, it'll slam this relay closed, therefore powering my motor. And so we're going to put this together. We're going to try to make it look neat. And I'll hit you back with the finished product.